Silicon Valley is the birthplace of modern innovation and the most influential companies in the world, from Apple, Google, and Tesla to groundbreaking startups. It's the epicenter of the digital revolution. It was in the Silicon Valley that the silicon based integrated circuit, the microprocessor, and the microcomputer, among other technologies, were developed. As of 2021, the region employed about a half billion information technology workers. But today, there's a new contender on the global tech stage: China, the country who has transformed over the past few years from a world's factory to an emerging tech powerhouse. Companies like Huawei, Alibaba, Tencent, and BYD have gone from assembling products to create cutting edge technologies in China. But the question remains: can it rival Silicon Valley and reshape the future of technology? Let's understand these in today's video. The People's Republic of China was established on October 1, 1949. Since then, China has implemented economic policies that have positioned it among the world's fastest growing economies. However, despite its remarkable success in global economics, the country had not significantly advanced in the fields of science and technology during its early years. The rapid development of science and technology in China began in the 1980s. The Chinese government launched initiatives like the 863 program and the strategy for rejuvenating the country through science and education, which greatly accelerated the growth of country's scientific and technological institutions. These actions were seen as foundational steps in transforming China into a global tech powerhouse. Companies like Huawei, Tencent, and Alibaba were born out of this environment of innovation. Fast forward to today, China is making significant strides in areas such as artificial intelligence, semiconductors, electric vehicles, and quantum computing. With nearly 2,000 companies investing in AI, China is predicted to become the world's leading AI innovator in the near future. In the semiconductor sector, companies like SMIC are driving efforts towards self-reliance. While in the electric vehicle industry, firms like BYD and NIO are competing directly with Tesla. These advancements demonstrate that China is not merely catching up, but actively pushing the boundaries of what's possible. However, competing with Silicon Valley is not without a challenge. China faces significant hurdles, particularly in the semiconductor industry. It is the world's largest importer of semiconductors, spending more on these imports than on crude oil. In 2022, semiconductors accounted for 15.3% of China's imports, compared to 13.5% for crude oil. One of the biggest challenges come from export controls. The US Department of Commerce's Bureau of Industry and Security, BIS, has revised its export regulation to restrict China's access to high-end chips, advanced technology, and manufacturing equipment. To build advanced level chips, China has to import expertise and infrastructure, which is mostly concentrated in US and Taiwan. Additionally, tech giants are also mounting pressure on China. Nvidia, AMD, and Tesla have deep-rooted presence in Silicon Valley, and they are difficult to replace. Just think about Nvidia and Apple. How powerful is their domination in tech industry? You can understand their dominance by watching these videos or clicking on I button. But we can say that this isn't a fight of domination. It's just a race to strengthen world's tech landscape. Even if China gets much powerful that it overtakes Silicon Valley, it's good for the world's tech landscape, as innovation is a global effort and innovation benefits humanity. At the end of the day, it's not matter that who overtakes it. But do inform us in comments, what do you think? Can China overtake Silicon Valley, or will Silicon Valley continue to lead? Make sure to watch our previous videos in which we have highlighted how dominant Nvidia is in this tech landscape. Make sure to subscribe so we can keep bringing you videos like this. Thank you for